Welcome back, guys, to Daily Kotoko. This is the moment you guys have been waiting for, and I'm going to give you the results of the vote. I put out a link for you guys to vote your player of the season a few days ago, and 173 of you responded. 173 of you responded and voted your player of the season. And now let's start with the third place. In third place, we have Felix Annan. He has been important. He was very, very important in Asante Kotoko CAF Confederation Cup campaign, and he has been good in the special competition. And with 13.3% of votes, you guys voted him as your third best player. Now, in second position, we have Wahab Adams with 31.8% of the votes. You guys placed on the link I posted, and he was voted the second best player of the season. He has been very, very impressive. I think he's one of the best defenders in the special competition, and if not the best, one of the best defenders in the special competition. He was crucial in the Hearts of Oak game, and he performed very well all through and led Asante Kotoko to glory in the special competition tier 1. Now, in first position, guess who? Let's hear the drum roll. Abdul Fattah Safiu. You 33.5% of votes. Abdul Fattah was voted, or you guys voted Abdul Fattah as your player of the season. With 10 goals in the special competition, top joint top goal scorer in the special competition, Abdul Fattah is your player of the season. You guys voted him as your player of the season. You know, he has been impressive, and a lot of us has been disappointed, or we are disappointed that he didn't make the final squad to the Africa Cup of Nations to showcase his talent, because we know he is very, very talented. Thank you guys for voting. 173 of you responded and voted. Thank you guys. Till next time, goodbye.
Fatao menya bono Olgia wapetoni rapelitana kanu Fatao Asante Kotoko machana Fatao babono Asante Kotoko Fatao Asante Kotoko credit time Baba Jaro Dupomato CAF Confederation Cup attention Wamani Karo Mangi side Fatao Abdul Watimi Amatu
dépenses effectuées jusqu'ici dans cette compétition. Attention, la mauvaise transmission de balle qui coûte cher à Coton Sport de Garoua. Abdul, pas possible. Abdul.
Pull out. Call Zambia, pull out the car. When the Nitika, go to put it to Kotoko.
Goals in 3 games. Can he add to his tally of goals to 6 this afternoon at Abaya Sports Stadium? Abdul Fattah Safiu, Wakunechi, Bako, Mienu, Miensa. Referee this one abe ose mo nhye mu yie hey but ose yen take change answer Abrante friend Solomon ability coming ebem Amadia captain and I said your striker Hassan Mohammed Efrim nti Hassan Mohammed out Solomon coming in Fatal the penalty yes the penalty for Raja from Abdul Fattah Safiu.
Jordan Opoku brings the ball back and finds the goal scorer Fattah. In the back heel, it is still Fattah. And we see this. Yes! Glorious! Absolutely gorgeous! If the first one was ugly, the second one is an absolute beauty. Kumasi Asante Kotoko is down and dusted. Victory is sealed for the Porcupine Warriors. And it is the man Abdul Fattah Safiu who scores the second goal for Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Kotoko is due to be good. They lead Asante Gold by 2 goals to no here at the Kumasi Sports Stadium. Oh, look at it, lovely. Went round the goalkeeper and planted the ball in the yawning nets. The back heel was sumptuous.
They are in 3 matches. Nets were 5 goals in 3 matches. Abdul Fattah to be converted penalty now. Wabasha the feed goal in 3 games. Abdul Fattah goal.
Abranche your friend Ivan so usu na ball na chi. Me hu Fattah say ojina abo ball no Fattah